What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new YouTube video. This is our first unboxing video because I know how much you kids love to see us pulling out new shit out of a box. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce you to our newest unboxing of our good friends Level 5 tools and their Contractor handset kit. So we get asked all the time, what's your favorite taping knife? What hand tools do you use? Where can I buy a really good beginner set or pro set? So when we got those questions, we told Level 5 they sent us our favorite pack, and I'm excited to show you what's in it. So we'll show you me taking stuff out of a box, and then I'll talk about everything that's inside of it and give you a nice explanation of everything that we use or a couple things that we don't use. So stay tuned. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. A little bit of tape. It says Fragile on the other side. Must be European. Oh yeah, isn't that satisfying, internet? So apparently it's a box of paper. Okay, so as a little bonus, we got some trucker hats for the guys. Next up, we got a whole bunch of t-shirts for the guys. Whoop. We'll put them to the side for a second. Got the Level 5 on the front. Level 5 Tools Gang on the back. I love this. The Welcome to the Red Zone. We're definitely going to be using these shirts on sites. Thank you, Level 5. So now we get to the exciting part. First, the little box has the actual tool set in it, but what I'm most excited for is this. This is the new Level 5 handset tool bag. This is how it comes up with, just wrapped in plastic. It's really nice and durable. I'll open it up in a second and show you exactly what it looks like. Let's open this up now. And just look at that tool porn over here. Isn't that beautiful? This is the Contractor set, and it basically has everything you need to start taping and really hand taping. We have 3-inch joint taping knife. We got this thing that I honestly have no idea what it's for. I know, valuable feedback. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool as well. It's a little scraper, or for reeling difficult angles. Now the fun part. We have 12-inch finishing knife. My all-time favorite, the 6-inch stainless steel knife with a really nice and sturdy handle. Another 3-inch taping knife, 4-inch, 5-inch, they call it a 9-in-1. I think every painter knows this as a 5-in-1. Really nice and sturdy as well. This is going to be super useful. It's a jab saw. I'll talk about this in a second. 8-inch finishing knife, a bucket scoop. Haha, this is one of my favorite things. We mix a ton of thin set mud, and there's nothing more annoying or tiring on your forearm, than mixing it all in the pen. This thing fits perfectly inside the pen. and it hooks up to any drill. Now we have our 14-inch, and last but not least, a 10-inch, really useful size too, and the beautiful level 5. I believe this is a 16-inch mud pan. Okay, so now we got everything unboxed. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Now it's time for the fun part. We got to take everything out of the plastics, which is, I don't know about you, but I love doing that. It's very satisfying. But the more satisfying part is taking off the stickers. Level 5, make it in a way that when you take off the stickers of the tools, it's just one pull. Super satisfying. But as you can tell over here, we have the Contractor hand tool kit with the bag. It retails for about $220 American, I believe. Level 5 is located in Kansas City in the States. And this tool has a lot of things. It has taping knives all the way from 3-inch to 14-inch. Basically, all the sizes you need to do a job. It has a bucket scoop. It has a scraper, the 91, what they call it. They have the little mixer in, so you can mix mud in the mud pan. They have a 16-inch mud pan, and they have a couple odd tools like this guy. This is, ooh, and I like how they wrap everything. You can see they have these plastic things that keep the edges nice and sharp. Really like that. But this is what they call it. They call it a drywall pointing knife. I guess this is for like a really tricky inside angle that you can't reach or something. Could be useful. We'll put that to the side for now. Up next on the weird tools part, they have this half moon clip knife. I personally have not had a chance to use this. I'm sure we'll find something to use it for really tricky corners and whatnot. Always nice to have in the toolbox. We'll put that over here. Next up, sticking on the unconventional taping tools, we have the Level 5 9-in-1 multi-tool. Why this is called a multi-tool is because you got a scraper over here to scrape crap. You can use this to take out nails or screws. This half circle is used when you're cleaning paint rollers. This is a beer opener. I'm sure that's not the actual use, but that's what all drywallers really use it for. And I don't really know what this edge, but it looks cool. Like everything else in Level 5, the sticker comes off really easy, and the handle is really nice and ergonomic. I'll put that off to the side as well. Now we're getting into the taping knives. First one, I'm not sure if it's a mistake or not, but we got two of the 3-inch ones. Beautiful stainless steel 3-inch joint knife. We don't use the 3-inch that often. As you can tell, they gave us two of them. Again, not really sure if they both come with the set. That's a question for Level 5. All you need is one. We'll put them over here. Next up is your 4-inch knife. Really nice. What I like about these is the mid flex. They're not super flexible, but they have enough of a flex that you can get a really nice movement or flex on them. Really nice knives. Now, again, I can't say how much I love the fact that they ship these with the plastic inserts. What you can do if you want, you can actually keep them. I end up keeping them, and when I finish using it, you just slide it on under and it protects your knife while it's in your bag. But we'll put it aside. 5-inch, and my all-time favorite, most used knife is the 6-inch stainless steel hand knife by Level 5. Again, I really love the handle. I think it's one of the best handles on the market. You know, you can use it for hours at a time, and it keeps your hand nice and comfortable. Now let's see if I can do this on live, if I can do the sticker pull. You gotta let go of the one corner. Grab it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Tell me that wasn't satisfying. We'll put that to the side. Now, we got out of the, I call them the half moon knives. We're into the square taping knives. So these are what we use for actual skimming when we do hand taping. You can tell they have the square body on them. You can load it up with a lot of mud. So when we do hand taping, we'll use the 6-inch just for a tape coat. First skim coat we'll do with the 8 or the 10, and then we'll move up to the 12 and the 14 as needed. Typically on the butt joints we'll use the 14. On the flats we'll finish it. We'll do an 8, 10, and 12. So this is the 8, and now we have the 10-inch knife. One of my favorites as well, gets a lot of use. 10, we'll put it next to the 8. And on to our 12. I really like how they shipped everything. Make sure nothing gets damaged in transit. And last but not least, we have our 14-inch. Ooh, level 5. This one came damaged. Can you see that? But my friends at level 5, I'm sure they're going to replace that. No problem. If you ever have any issues with shipping, give them a ring. They're really, really, really responsive. So we'll put that to the side. And now, I think this is a must for every kit. A lot of people will take their 6-inch knife and scrape the buckets and get everything out of there. This is the easiest way to do that. A little bucket scoop. You go to the side of the bucket, scrape up, and that's it. So that's that. And that's it for the knives. In a second, I'll show you the jab saw and the little mixer and the pen. And then last 3 items that we have, the level 5 jab saw. We actually use a battery-powered Makita cutter-to-cutter drywall, but this is always good to have in your tool set. You can see on the back, this is what it looks like. Really nice handle, really sharp, but we'll cut drywall no problem. I'm not going to open because it has a little clip here that secures it. So I'm just going to keep it here. And again, my absolute favorite for mixing quick set mud, sheetrock 5, 20, 45, 90. Even all purpose, if you only need a little bit and you don't want to mix the whole thing, you can take your mud pan in here, hook it up to your drill, and you're good to go. And last but not least, and I'm sorry for my accent, as you can tell, is the amazing bag. I've been after this bag for a while. They actually sell it as a part of the kit, and I think just for that alone, it's worth it. There's nothing worse than carrying your knives in, you know, the random pack outs or toolboxes where they get all jammed up and bent. Really beautiful bag. So let's see what we got here. And it's nice and red and bright, so you know who's stealing your stuff if you see it traveling on a job site. So it comes kind of kvetched together. I'm gonna give it a little pull and see what it looks like. Right off the bat, looks like in the front, you have a little case here for whatever it is you need. You can put your phone or pencils or whatever you need. I wonder if this is meant to be like your entire tool bag and not just for your knives. Little pouches over here, as you can tell. And I believe that you can put like an extension stick in here. If like your painting pole or something, it goes in between here. Over here, another zipper. place to put your mud pan or some knives or whatever it is you want to put in there. It's actually really big. This is really nice. Excuse me, I've been talking for a long time. Over here, obviously, this is where your mud pan goes. So let's put our mud pan there. We got our mud pan in. Now, the beautiful part about mud pan can also be a place to carry other tools. So we're going to take the miscellaneous stuff, like the scraper, the jab saw, the mixer, and we're going to place them right inside of our mud pan. Kind of hard to see how we're doing all this. We're going to take the stuff that we don't know what it is and put it right into the mud pan as well. Now, I don't know if you can see on camera, but over here they got a bunch of compartments. They have this guy here. That's just a big open compartment. You can put your 14-inch, your 12-inch knives. And over here they got side pockets for your smaller knives. So let's go ahead and put our knives in there. Mr. Bendy, the bent 14-inch is going to go right into the big pocket there. 12-inch with it, our 10 and our 8. So if you can see on this compartment, I got all my bigger knives, my square knives sitting here, and over here I'm going to put all of my smaller knives. So we have 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can put them in whatever order you like. It really does not matter. And just like that, oh, forgot my scoop. Put that with the rest of my knives. Close that up, and look at that. You even have a little place for your water bottle. But let's face it, we're drywallers, so for your beer, for your Red Bull, you know, whatever it is you crazy kids are into. So that's it. You have your work bag with everything you need to start taping. You can carry it like a suitcase. I gotta say, weight-wise, this whole kit with the bag is weighing maybe 10 pounds right now. So really, even if it's on your shoulder, you got a little strap here. You can put it on your shoulder while you're carrying something else. Really nice, you don't even feel it. So yeah, this is what the Contractor hand tool kit from Level 5 Tools with the Contractor bag looks like. I love it. If I had to give it a rate, I would give it, honestly, a 10 out of 10. These knives are really durable. They don't rust. They're stainless steel. Take care of them. They'll take care of you. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Let us know if you want to do more of those. And if you need some level 5s, we'll put our link underneath in the description. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow the channel for more content.